National Weather Service in Chicago has issued in effect from 10 a.m. this morning.
This launch includes the following counties: number 426, effective at 7 p.m. Kobe, Cal, daylight time. Ford. This launch includes the following counties: Illinois, Boone, Vero, Lee, Livingston, Marshall,
McLean, Vogel, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties: Indiana, McHenry, Jasper, Lee, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan from Porter Point Lake, Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan from miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Illinois, 5 nautical miles, Point, Wisconsin, offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan, Will Lake, Wisconsin, to the island of Illinois, 5 Harbor, offshore to Mid-Lake, Winter Harbor, Gary Lake Harbor, Illinois, Will Lake Harbor to northerly island, Illinois, northerly island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Gary, Indiana, nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan, Will Lake Harbor, Illinois to Michigan, Indiana, Harbor to Will Lake Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan, Will Lake Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin. The conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch area means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging weather conditions, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, personnel should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible information. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Whoa! 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 4:07 p.m.
Okay then. Hello?
Lake Michigan from Full Choice Point to Rock Island Passage, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan, Rock Island Passage to Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan from Sturgeon Bay to Two Rivers, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan from Two Rivers to Sheboygan, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
For the Chicago metropolitan area. Severe thunderstorm watch 4:26 warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from
I just got that right now.
Nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Winter Harbor to Michigan City.
I just heard my radios go off.
At 1:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts and dangerously strong winds were located along the line of
Oh my goodness.
93 nautical miles west of McKinley to 79 nautical miles west of Elgin to 78 nautical miles west of Aurora, 66 knots. Hazard waterspouts
There goes
wind gusts in
WFA.
excess of 65 knots in large hail. The winds may last longer than 30 minutes. Source, radar indicated. Impact, water source can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous dangers. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations of tested include Harris Weaver, Crib, Wilneck Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina.
Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 4 p.m. At 2:24 p.m.
Currently getting it.
Storms were located along the line extending from Warren to near German Valley to near Princeton to near Williamsfield, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms.
Whoa!
Hazard, 80 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, automated wind measurements. This storm has a history of producing measured wind gusts in excess of 80 miles per hour impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Elgin, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Plainfield, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Asunto, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana the Hills, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Woodstock, Hunley, Geneva, Yorkville, Morris, and Shannon, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 219 and 234. Interstate 80 between mile markers 104 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 56. This includes Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermiland, Gethardwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway, and Fairgrounds, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Troopers Ballpark, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Rayville State Park, Walton T Community College, and William G. Stratton State Park. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Tornado like this being expected.
Desperately needed money. Go ahead, please. Right here.
This is a very dangerous PM.
Yep, it's for our area. It mentioned Chicago.
Northwest in Minnesota, moving east at 75 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous
history of reducing widespread wind damage across western Illinois.
We gotta go.
Quarter-size hail impact. Source, trained weather spotters.
Without shelter.
This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage across western and north-central Illinois. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage.
Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Overport, Elgin Park, Oak Lawn, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, including the following Bolingbrook, Palatine, between mile markers 143 and 294, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, and Mount Prospect, between mile markers including the following Interstate 55 between mile markers 123 and 155. Interstate 58 between mile markers 350 and 140. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 155. Interstate 84 between mile markers 174 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 27 and 107. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1
We
and
reached the 2-minute
29.
limit.
Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 355. Tornado warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in north-central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes were located along a line extending from Maple Park to near Eagley to near Sandwich to Lake Holiday to near Sheridan, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Plano and Lily Lake around 3:15 p.m. Yorkville, Campton Hills, Sugar Grove, and Alburn around 3:20 p.m. Aurora, St. Charles, Oswego, Geneva, Montgomery, North Aurora, Boulder Hill, and Valley View around 3:25 p.m. Bartlett, West Chicago, Batavia, Minooka, and Wayne around 3:30 p.m. Joliet and Plainfield around 3:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Caneville, Plattsville, Norway, Virgil, Lisbon, Bristol, Millbrook, Millington, Little Rock, and Big Rock. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 90 and 120. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Who is this for?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m.
Oh, okay.
At 3:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes and extremely damaging wind gusts
Oh
were
my God.
located along a line extending from St. Charles to North Aurora to near Oswego, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Bartlett, West Chicago, Warrenville, Wayne, and DuPage Airport around 3:30 p.m. Naperville, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Lisle, Bloomingdale, and Winfield around 3:35 p.m. Wheaton, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Lockport, Roselle, and Crest Hill around 3:40 p.m. Bolingbrook, Elmhurst, Lombard, Elk Grove Village, Palmer Glen, Hinsdale, Lemont, Oak Brook, Westmont, and Darien around 3:45 p.m. Franklin Park, Burr Ridge, Willowbrook, Hillside, and Willow Springs around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Medina, Preston Heights, Crystal Lawns, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Fairmont, Rockdale, and Berkeley. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 200. A severe thunderstorm impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Rensselaer, Lemont, Hebron, Fowler, and Kentland. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 200 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Lake County Fairgrounds, Porter County Fairgrounds, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and US 41 Dragway. This is a dangerous situation. This storm is producing widespread wind damage across northern Illinois. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Double header.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 23 miles northwest of Long Beach, or 24 miles northwest of Michigan City, moving east at 75 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, and Mount Prospect. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 233 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 303 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. Indiana Interstate. A severe thunderstorm.
Who's this for?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Elmhurst, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Norwich, Elmwood Park, River Forest, and River Grove around 3:50 p.m. Oak Park, Austin, Dunning, Portage Park, Belmont Cragen, Morton Grove, and Harwood Heights around 3:55 p.m. Irving Park, West Town, West Ridge, Albany Park, Logan Square, Humboldt Park, and Lincolnwood around 4 p.m. Chicago, Evanston, Lakeview, Lincoln Park, Uptown, Rogers Park, and Edgewater around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Jefferson Park, Stone Park, North Park, Golf, Forest Glen, North Center, Berkeley, Lincoln Square, Medina, and York Center. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, and Wrigley Field. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 near mile marker 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 72 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 31 and 48. Interstate 290 between mile markers 3 and 16. Interstate 294 between mile markers 31 and 48. Interstate 355.